Pour half a cup of warm milk. Add 2 tablespoons of yeast. Just stir it, and let it rest for 10 minutes. Just cover it. Let's just let it bubble or rise. Let's prepare the dry mixture first. Put 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 cup of sugar. Just mix it well. Add 2 eggs. Half a cup of oil. Mix it again. ¼ stick of butter. Since the yeast has already doubled, you can. Now pour it into the flour mixture. And add the right amount of food coloring. Mix it well until it becomes smooth in texture. Just knead it for 15 minutes. Place the dough in a mixing bowl, cover it with cling wrap, and then cover it with a kitchen towel. Then let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just punch the dough too. Remove the air bubbles. Dust the counter with flour and knead the dough again for 10 minutes. Just cut it into 4 equal parts. Just elongate the dough. Cut it into the right size. Just place some strawberries jam on it and roll it up. Coat it with breadcrumbs. The other version is with cheese. Coat it again with breadcrumbs. Cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. Here's the outcome, and you can now enjoy it with a cup of hot coffee.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!